morning.
Morning.
Going to get some breakfast at the lodge. Christian and I we traveled uphill, and this right here, right there, is a complete war zone. Our legs went down. How far do you think our legs went down?
Knees.
3 feet?
Yeah, about that.
Like, the snow literally went up to here on me, to my hip. All right, bye, brother. There's a rock right there.
No.
Well, you should have put snow on top of it. Just finished. About to show you guys the front. This way, brother. Your turn.
Farther down.
Now look at our beauty.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, stay there. He's big.
Wow. He's a professional.
Hey, Christian, get up there so I can take a picture of you in there too.
Wow. Currently at the Earth's tallest tree. Wow. It's so freaking tall.
Almost fell.
Now we just went up a little ways and we are at Beetle Rock.
Look how far they go back. It's just amazing. See that way back? I wonder how far that major ridge thing out by the ocean, I think, is I can barely make out. So, I suppose that's San Andreas.
This rock is famous because I think like 200 years ago they found a rare species of beetle underneath of it. So now it is called Beetle Rock. Show how much it snowed. This is the fence and we're on top of the fence. So the fence is almost buried. And there's Mom and Dad.
There's a picture of them.
So this is called Round Meadow. And it's where a lot of sequoias are. Oh my gosh.
So don't put this on your video though, because it might be illegal to do that.
Too late. We are currently
We're currently going to go get food. We haven't.
Reservations at 6.
Me and Sarah just realized that since breakfast closed at like 10, we haven't eaten since then.
And we've hiked about 10, 12 miles. No, I'm just kidding. We've hiked, what, total of 6 miles-ish.
Quesadilla, rotisserie chicken, filet mignon, stir fry.